Well, hello, it's Bears back. I've got my entry ready to go for Chaz's lock picking 100 subscriber giveaway. And congrats on that 100, buddy. You did awesome real quick. And you're doing great. Just keep doing what you're doing, buddy. You're doing just fine. He wanted to see your high security, or in the update he said your highest value. Now, I'm not going to show you my highest value. I have some that I value more. They may not, other people may not value them as much as I do, but I'm just kind of going with the higher security thing right now. And these are what you'd call, you want to talk about locks that are tough under fire. These are them. And what we have is a Sergeant in Greenleaf with a medical core. It's a big, beefy old boy, and I have not tried picking this thing yet. It's a lot to manage, you know. I've got medicos that are I can put in a vise, you know, but I haven't tried picking this one or this one yet. This is the Miracle lock, and it's got a kind of a weird key, and I think I've seen someone pick one of these on video. I haven't tried it yet, but I know that I don't know about this one, but I know they use these on like armory doors and stuff, because this thing is a monster. And it still says on it US 1974, Sergeant in Greenleaf ink, and I think that was supposed to say Ingersoll, but it doesn't. I don't know what it was supposed to say, but under here you can say Miracle Lock Division US. So they might have been using these on heavy duty doors too, that they didn't want anybody just busting into. Now, I understand this is called a ballistic lock, but I don't know about this one. Someone will know, so they will tell us. So yeah, that's what I got to show for my entry into Chaz's lock picking. Keep up the good work, bro. You're doing fantastic. Just keep plugging away. That's all you can do. Okay, everybody, stay legal and have fun. Bye.